Need to display Word content in a browser? Spire.Doc for .NET converts .docx to clean HTML in just a few lines, no Microsoft Office needed. Spire.Doc gives you full control over the HTML output. Export CSS to an external style sheet, choose whether to embed images, preserve formatting fidelity, and run entirely server-side without Word installed. Create a document instance and load your Word file with Load from File. Next, configure the export options, set a CSS style sheet name, choose external CSS, and control whether images are embedded or saved separately. Finally, call Save to File with FileFormat.html to generate the HTML output, then dispose the document. On the left is the original Word document. On the right, the same content rendered as an HTML file in a browser, ready to publish on any website or web application. Load from File opens the source document. Save to File with FileFormat.html performs the conversion. HTML export options controls CSS, image embedding, and output paths. CSS style sheet type lets you choose between embedded, external, or no CSS. Split large documents into multiple HTML pages by heading. Embed images as base64 for portable single-file output. Convert RTF to HTML the same way, or batch process an entire folder at once. Turn your Word documents into web-ready HTML with Spire.Doc today.